Hello everyone. Hello. I'm back. I am back. Can you hear me well? I think you can. Hello Michael. Nope. This is a stream. You just type and I answer all of your questions in the chat. Welcome Angel. Hello. How are you? I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Oh sorry, that was my dog. Sorry. Can you hear me? Today we're going to learn I'm going to explain you about the content your site needs it to rank in Google. So um, we're going to start in about 3 minutes. If you have any question, do not forget to type in the chat. As soon as I get some time, I will be happy to answer all of your questions. If the question is not related to today's class, I'm going to answer that one at the end. If it's related, it's going to according to the class, okay? Angel, one question. Do I have to do the IO certificate and provisional files per app? Yeah. You need to create one P12 and then you can reuse that P12. However, in Apple you will need bundles and ad hoc files and the provisional file for development also every time. Oh, on every app, sorry. Okay, let's just wait 1 more minute and we can get this started. Thank you very much for being here, everyone. Yeah, P12 is only one. It's okay, Angel. Don't worry about it. I'm a little congested, sorry. Let's wait 3 more seconds, 30 more seconds. Okay, I think we can get today's lesson started. Um, Today we're going to talk, as you can see, we're going to talk about content, and I of course want to explain you that your site needs it to rank in Google, and therefore you will get some more sales. You know, because it's the way it works. If you are very popular, you will get sales, and your stores will get sales also. So here today we are going to use a few tools. we're going to use the CMS, we're going to use the footer, we're going to use Unbounce. It's just a recommendation. I mean, I will recommend you this one. However, if you want to use any other, you can use it. This is it's just a recommendation, okay? And I will also explain you why you should is not mandatory. You can use Google Ads, okay? So let's get this started. Remember, if you have any question, type it in the chat. I will make sure to answer it as soon as I get some time. And apologize on the noises in the background. My family is everywhere. Okay. So let's move into the sharing. Okay. We're going to start with the CMS, guys. The CMS is a tool that you already have in your ordering website. Ordering University, here is. Those are the pages. I know you have seen pages here in more, and you have also seen pages here below. If you click on any of these pages, for example, this one is redirecting to a landing page that I have in our main our website, which is for presentation for ordering. I think all of you already know it. So Neil, hello, welcome. Just saw you there. So as you can see here, we have a lot of content, and as the customer moves along the website, they will see more and more content. You can create this with the software that you already have in your ordering website. Let me go back, which is something like this. Hello, ABC. So it is very important that you either use the footer that you have here to create more content, or you can also create pages right here. It's very easy to create pages, okay? You have to go in admin area, then click more, then click static pages. Then here you will start creating content, as much content as you need, okay? It doesn't matter. The important thing here is that you have to compare, you have to do some research about what is most searched in your according to your business, okay? It is very important, sorry, to, for example, if I want to, let me open an incognito window, and here if I want to search for e-commerce, let's say, yeah, e-commerce platform, e-commerce platform, only that, okay? Or wait, I'm just thinking about something else. Food in New York, food delivery in New York. If you put something like this in Google, which is the most searched engine that everyone uses, you will see that there are billions of results. To be one of the top one, like one of the in the first page, I would recommend you to look at these meta, these words that are here at the bottom, and then create content using those kind of words. As how can I say? As the time goes by, I mean, as your content is being clicked, it will start going up here in the search of food delivery in New York or whatever is your place, okay? You will have to be very like specific on the things that you want to show at the beginning. For example, all these four are ads. However, if you start here in New York, well, DoorDash and Uber Eats, Grubhub, these are very good. These are very good ranked. So you will have to find a few ways in order to make the content very relevant. For example, these are the pages, the title of the pages, right? So when you create the page here at Ordering University, you will have to name it add a page. You'll have to name it. What was the search here? It was New York City food delivery, something like that. So you will put something like New York food delivery. You can put something here. Let's put this best place in town. The URL comparing with this one is going to be whatever you have put here. For example, if we open this one, the URL is going to be slash the delivery place slash the restaurants in New York. For example, here what we can do for your in your situation is that you can put let's say the domain pages, and then you put a New York food delivery, and then you create the content. It's very important. This is very important. The name, the name, the URL, and the content inside the page must be relevant. I mean, they have to match. You can't just put something in the title to grab attention and then show something different in the content inside the website. That is very punished by Google. Okay, so make sure about it. Play by the rules. Okay. New York food delivery, best in town, and you start putting some images. Let's say New York delivery, food delivery, and then I'm going to put just one image. I'll be right there with your questions, okay? I will just put this one has some. We'll just put this one. I mean, be sure that you are using your images right, because of copyright. You might get also your page can be turned off by Google. Okay. If you have an image URL, you can put it here also. I will just put this one, insert, so you can see it here. I will try to is the image, if this image is very big, so you have to play with the design that you are creating at the moment. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I can make it smaller right here. Here at the corner, I can do something like that. Okay. Best in town, and then you create something like that. Okay. And then when you save, this new page is already here, and this page will help your business rank up in Google. I mean, of course, you have to put something else here. You have to put like the button to go in the stores in New York, or maybe some contact us button or something like that to so you don't lose any audience, right? That is very important. This is the CMS. You can use this one to gather some more audience. Okay, let's see the questions. Miguel, hello Miguel, how are you? Uh, just where you are. Okay, is a way to change the language of the URLs pages? I'm not sure. I think you can't by the moment, Miguel. Let's see, because since that is already in the servers, in the files of the servers, it's very it's different to it's difficult to change it. But let's take a look. Sorry if you hear me like congested. Okay, I'm okay, but the flew one way. Okay. Pages. No, Miguel. No, that cannot be changed because it's the way the server has that part saved, so you can't. Another thing that I can recommend you is create a landing page or something in another service in another software. You can use many of those softwares. Um, okay, ABC is talking about something else. I will answer that one at the end. So let's jump into. So this is the, as I was saying, this is pages. You can use it. That's very important to create more content. Create as much content as you can in order to rank faster. Okay. Now let's talk about the footer. Well, the footer is this one below. There are two ways to use a footer. You can either create the pages of the footer, just like I explained you a couple of lessons ago, or you can redirect these these buttons to the page that you just created in this situation to something like this. The the purpose of all this is to not confuse the customer, but also uh, guiding them properly among your website. Okay, so that is very important to understand. Another question: Unbounce. Unbounce is very cool. It's a tool that we use. For example, I know you have seen this. Let me see if I can make it show. Okay, give me 1 second. I will just scroll down here. Okay, this is the one I want to show you. This, oh, let me share my screen. Okay, this screen, right here, is made in Unbounce. Unbounce, I don't know how it's pronounced. My bad. However, this site I recommend it very much. It is already the URL is in the description if you want to take a look. Sorry. Okay. This service will help you to create things like this. How is this set up? I'm no expert of Unbounce, so if you have any more questions, go with them. However, I want to explain you how we use it. In this website, when you get in the website, let's say 3 times in a row, is because you are interested. And what Unbounce does is that the system detects your actions as a customer, and then it says, okay, this guy has come up here 3 times. Send him this pop-up or something like that. In this situation, when Ordering University is live, the site sends these kind of pop-ups, which are creating like more interaction with the customers, right? A lot of you are getting here just by clicking this button, which is very cool, very important. So imagine you can create, if someone, let's say, if someone is here in your ordering website in the homepage, and then they scroll a little bit like this, you can create one pop-up that shows when the page has been scrolled down 50% or 60% or something like that, and then that pop-up shows and it's saying something like, hey, are you looking for more information about Ordering University? Click here, we will be very happy to help you, or something like that. Imagine that kind of interaction with the customer can be lifesaver and time saving a lot. Okay, so you can gather more leads, sell more of your products and services, and everything. uh, Also, Unbounce has you can integrate it with the website very easily. They have a third-party code which you will be setting it up at the ordering builder. let me show you where. Here in the third party, okay? You can put it here and it will help you. I mean, you will require a few more integrations. Unbounce is right here. It's not that expensive, so you can use it and give it a try. Give it a try. It's very cool. It's very cool platform. If you have any other platform that does something like that, like this, you can use it. I mean, it's not mandatory. Okay. Also, I recommend to use forms. You can use Typeform. That service is free, and you can use it to ask to your customers what is happening. So what you can do with these two kind of integration is that when the customer gets to the end of to the checkout page in your website, Unbounce sends a push notification saying, "Hey, thank you very much for your order. How are you feeling about the service?" or something like that. And then inside the Unbounce, you put a type form, and then the form is filled. The customer will only click like in between the stars. So when they click 4, 5, and those, you will get notified about everything that is happening in your website at any time. Okay. Also, there is another tool called Crazy Egg. There are a lot of tools. I am just giving you the ones that I would recommend you because I have used them. Okay. Crazy Egg. I mean, well, you have to put something like this. You have to check this site. I will put everything in the description so you can take a deeper look afterwards. Type for Crazy Egg. Okay. Crazy Egg is a tool that scans your website and they give you where are the clicks going, how long the website has been scrolled down or up, where is the more focused point of your website, and a lot of more things. I recommend you to take a look at this so you can be sure that the content that you are creating is effective and you are not just losing time. For example, if we go now in, let's try Learning University. Okay. So I don't know if this will work. Yeah, okay. It's a free trial. I won't create the account, but you understand what I mean. I recommend you to take a look at them. They have a free trial, so it's very cool. That will give you like the most effective content that you are giving to your customers all the time. Okay, as much information as you have, the more information that you have, sorry, it will be the better information that you create, like the content. So we use those rules and your page will be ranked up in your neighborhood very soon, very fast. Next topic is going to be Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads is uses URLs, and as you know, each of your products, each of your stores, each of anything in your ordering website has their independent URL. So what is happening here? This is stuck somehow. Let me close all these. This one. Fine. It's something about Google Maps. Okay. Open web. I'm going to use the other demo. Okay. So here we have, imagine this. This search was made when the address was Fifth Avenue, New York, etc. Okay. If you put this URL in a Google ad, and that Google ad is covering the area of the Fifth Avenue, and then you put in the Google ad, hey, whenever a customer is looking for laundries, wines, or food or groceries, show them this ad. And when they click on that ad, they will come here. Oh, sorry. So because that ad has this link, it will get right here. Okay, so and now imagine, so when they are looking for Dakota, send them this ad, and when they click on that ad, it will send them to this link or to any of the other link. And you can be very specific. If you are looking for a cheeseburger, no, bad example. If you're looking for, I want one with product options. 1 second. If you're looking for a chipotle barbecue snack wrap, uh, go here and you put that specific link into Google Ads, and then it will, when they click there, it will go directly here in this page, and the customer is going to be able to just start the order just like that. Check this. If I close this and open that link, it will open the grab that we just send the customer to. So they just select this, add the product. Now they are here, they are about to order. They have to put the address and they have to continue the order, and that's it. Make sure that you are in the coverage, that you have the mapping in Google Ads correctly and everything. Okay, that's more advanced. You have to take a look with them. Okay, these are just some recommendations that I will give you because you need to create content and advertise your business in order to get sales. Okay, uh, I think that was it for the things that I wanted to show you today. So I will jump into Q&A, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the chat. Non-related questions, I will answer them at the end if we are not having any more questions. Okay, so begin. Okay, the pages I have already answered. Yesterday you sent me a business app ID to receive orders with sound in business app demo, but I can receive some yet. I made updates, but it's the same. So okay. Guillermo, please, you have to check them with support. Create a ticket, and they will help you out. I think it's your phone. There's no. I remember now. I it's not really related to the app. It makes sounds every time. I think it's something in your phone. The app might be muted or something. So yeah, it's very cool. It's very important also. So try it. You may test with ordering demo with same phone. Yeah, it's a phone. That's what I'm saying. It's a phone, not the app. Let me try right here. I will just install it, Guillermo, and I will show you. If you have any other questions, please type them in the chat. In the meantime, I'm going to help Guillermo. So it's working or not, Guillermo? I'm confused. What do you mean? I'm downloading the app in the meantime. Okay. It is working? Should I test it? I will. My volume is all up, and I will. It is not muted. Okay, so I will just. You have to accept the with with your project. Okay, then it's something in your project, not in the app. I'm logging in. One second. Okay, I'm in, and I'm going to create an order. Chicken, eggs. this one open. It must be closed in order to sound because the in-app notifications are different. But no sound with your project, Guillermo. That's weird. You will have to take a look with support. Please create a ticket, Guillermo. Create a ticket right here if you haven't. If you have, they will answer you very soon. Here's the ticket form. Thank you. It's something related to your project. I cannot look at it here. when we set up when we set up payment gateway info, for example, PayPal for particular business, that account is set up for a particular business, for next business. We set up. Yes, Sunil. So each of the businesses that you have in your marketplace, sorry, must have their own payment accounts. If someone is getting paid via PayPal, they will have to put their accounts. If someone is paying with Stripe, you can either put the super administrator account on every store or put it in the full platform or set up different Stripe accounts for each of the places. You can do it. I mean, you can get all the money. Just put all your PayPal accounts or Stripe or any other gateway account on every store, and you will get the money. And then you manage it separately from the ordering website software. Sorry, from the ordering software. That's that's however you want to work your business. Do you have any other questions, guys? This is what I wanted to talk to you about. Um, and I hope it works. It works for you because it's very important. Some of you might not have the right like sales that you are looking for. However, right now, delivery it's a very big seller. Okay, food delivery, everything that is being delivered right now at this pandemic, it's a highlight for your business because you must offer delivery. People don't want to go out, you have to go to them. So this is very important that you create as much content as you can right now. Now is the time. Now is the time for you to start your uh, entrance into the delivery, e-commerce, uh, food delivery kind of world. Okay, give it a try. Uh, it's on your hands right now. The business. I mean, you have the tool. Ordering is a tool. It works and everything. Now you have to create the content and everything there. I don't know if you have any more questions, guys, or can we wrap today's lesson up? Eventually, I will make this shorter because so we can save more time. If you as long as you keep having questions, I will be happy to answer them. Hello, Miguel. How are you? You weren't here. Oh, that's bad. So, about your question, pages URL cannot be changed because it is already like that in the servers. It will have to be a development uh, by your team, and we will have to see if it is like if it is worth it. Okay. No, not yet, Miguel. I haven't gotten an answer. I keep looking. I think it'll be an improvement, though. Yeah, it'll be an improvement in the future. But let me keep digging. I will let you know for sure. As soon as I get something, I will let you know. Yeah. Thank you, Miguel. So where are we thinking, guys? Do you have any more questions? Can we wrap this up? What is the deal? I have a few new screens. Any more questions? I will give you 1 more minute, please. Keep me posted. Yeah, Miguel, what is it? Go for it, Miguel. Don't worry about it. Share a link. Which link, Miguel? I will have to take a look at the link. I don't know which link. Maybe it's in the maybe it's in the language manager. We'll have to take a deeper look at it. I don't know if you can send links right here. If you can't, send me an email and we will take a deeper look. YouTube is picky about it. You can send it through here, Miguel. Just let me know. Okay. Anyone else have a question or something, or can we wrap today's lesson up? Remember that it's very important for you to create content so the customers can see you. You have to be online. You have to be on Google search. You have to be innovative in your content. You have to change the words every now and then. The algorithm of of Google is very picky, so you have to change it very often. Share this to in my case when I share my site. It says what I say. Okay. Uh, you have my. Please send me this through email, Miguel, and I will take a look. I didn't receive the WhatsApp yet. I will. I mean I can't see your link. I think it didn't get pasted because YouTube doesn't allow you to paste links just like that. I think. I am not sure. Send me an email. Don't worry about it. I will send it to my WhatsApp. Because I don't want to show you. Let me send you my yeah. Okay, I will send myself the homepage. Oh, It is showing something like this for me. It is it says what I have put in the website. However, let me take a deeper look. Send me an image and the email and everything that we have to take a look at. Okay. Well, Miguel, I will be answering you through email. That will be for today's lesson. If you have any questions, do not forget. That was the that was the platform. If you have any more questions, send me an email. If I'm not the guy who has to answer your question, I will make sure to channel it to the right department. Do not forget to subscribe, as it says somewhere here. Here. So do not forget to subscribe so you know when we are live. See you tomorrow. This video will get uploaded on the YouTube channel. My name is Mauricio, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Same channel, same time, same me. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Be safe. Not like me. I catch a flu. Okay. Have a great day. See ya. Bye bye.